slimy piker.
Probably.
Definitely. Fighting good. For that stupid otter.
Oh, it went over there.
Oh no!
The piker.
That was on a crappie minnow. That stinks.
Crappie minnow rod.
Crappies. Don't reel it up. Yeah, you missed. Shoot. That stinks. Easy. He's hooked perfectly, so.
Okay.
I don't need to lose any fingers.
Nope.
Stupid things.
You don't want to stop in the hole.
Well, you got the hook right there. That's so I can only grab one side.
It's without getting a hook in your finger.
Not a bad fish.
No.
Right in the corner, right where you want it. The minnow still on there?
No.
I was trying to, but you had my fingers stuck. Picture?
Sure.
Maybe? Take it easy.
But I can't tell. Is that? Can't see.
Yeah, that's the pike.
Little baby pike. Straight tail grab one. That's what's cutting off our lines, little baby pike. He's gone.
You got your thing in there too?
Nope.
Yeah. Please video.
Yeah, whatever.
Not very big one.
I think better recording. Yeah, it's not a big one. Yep. He's gonna jump himself out.
Get that out of my face. Gotta get a hook to the mount.
Wow.
Oh wow, he's a little guy.
Get up the hole.
That is a mondo.
Stop it. He's getting hooked. He's just wrapped. Get it. It's wrapped up. I can't. He just wrapped himself, literally.
Stinking baby pike. Huh? Video it going on. Video it going on.
I am. Oh. Can't do anything. Can't even sit down for literally a minute.
Well, the pike are on, that's for sure.
Easy. I can't see him. I barely see him. Little pike.
That's good.
Got the hole.
Doing a lot of craziness underneath the ice.
There's no point in taking pictures anymore. Gimme. Where do you even hook them?
Right in the corner.
Oh, it's just this
Where do you want them?
lap. It's covering the hook.
Literally the most perfect spot you can hook them.
Yeah, little pike.
You know what else?
There he goes.
should be set super light on that sucker.
It's hard to reel.
Oh yeah. Real light. Don't just sit there and spin it though.
Doesn't even feel like a good fish. Feels like a tiny fish.
Tiny fish that just likes to take some good runs? Oh yeah. Barrel roll. Yeah, don't even get your butt. That was that.
Get it! It's done. Is my thing rolling? I don't think it is. Might be. Heard it ding.
Hey!
What?
Look what's in the corner of his mouth.
Hey, one of our hooks.
Mine or yours?
Mine? Just my regular hook. Oh, I'd let you know if it was yours. I'd be like, that's costing you $5.
Them teeth. There's some crazy teeth. There's like rectangle rolls of teeth.
You don't want to give this one up.
What?
You don't want to give this one up either.
Are they both entangled?
Kinda.
Yeah, I see that. Looks like you're going to his gills, Dad. Like going into his actual red part.
That's fine. Just a pike.
They usually survive. Right? And a pike can have one whole gill sticking out of him and survive. And put him back. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
My little dinky hook right in the corner of his fucking mouth.
There he goes.
Told you it was gonna go. Drag's real loose. I want to break them off.
Yeah, and those
Feels
are
like a gooder one, or a better one.
gooder one.
That's what happens when you try to say 2 words at one time.
Or one when it's stuck in your head and you say it.
Better one. Not a 40-incher or nothing. I could probably do one flick back.
His head won't come out the hole.
It don't look good.
And you ain't mad. Now he's gone.
Well, he
again.
came up giving me the side that had the treble hook out, and I was sticking my hand in this thinking treble hook.
You know, these thrashes and they're gonna be in a world of pain.
Really only been hurt by one kind of fish before, and it was always a stinking pike.
It's a pike. That's why, because it's a pike, a toothy fish.
It's funny, I don't know, like it was last year or 2 years ago, they were all super skinny. These ones are all really fat now.
Well, there goes all your panfish.
Yeah.
You good, bud? You want a picture? You
No.
Good?
Let's put it
You gonna
back.
do a release video?
Let's go. Put it back.
Thank you, slimy northern.
Yeah, I caught one jigging
Wow.
like a month or 2 ago.
I wonder how your oxygen levels are doing. He should be a lot more active than this right now. It's either that or he's just being a punk.
Same thing
He
happens
was
with
out
my
of the water
fish.
for 2 seconds.
Same thing happened with my fish, but he was out for a little bit longer than that.